In my last video, I taught you guys how to make the yellow cross on the 4x4. We have our yellow cross here, so we're gonna move on to the next page, remembering that this is actually the 3x3 guide. Okay, the 4x4 turns into a 3x3 once you have certain parts aligned. So now we're back to what I already taught in my 3x3 videos. So now we wanna look at our yellow face and we wanna see what we have. We either have one corner that's yellow, no corners that are yellow, or two. So let's look, I have these two are not yellow, and I have these two corners, okay, that are yellow. So I either have one, none, or two. That means I have one of these cases down here, okay? So I need to look and see, I have to have, if you remember from the earlier video, I have to have a yellow one in the front face here. So in this top left front face. I don't have any there, I don't have any there, not there, but I did have one here. So I have to hold my cube where the yellow's on top, and I have a yellow in this top left corner right in front, okay? So I'm gonna hold my cube, this on top, that yellow one in the front, and I'm gonna do this whole algorithm. So I'm gonna move right, oops, right, up, right invert, up, right. Remember that this is two moves. There's two cards here. So this is where a lot of people mess up too, and then you can mess up your whole cube and have to start over, which is not fun. All right, so I did that algorithm. And now what I still do not have all of the corners. And in fact, I only have one corner now, but that's okay. We're gonna reevaluate and say, okay, do I have one yellow corner, none, or two? I have three that are not yellow and one that is. So if you look up here, it says if one corner is yellow, you make it kind of look like a fish. Remember that the head is down here and your fins are over here. So you're holding it where it should look very similar to this fish. It just looks a little bit bigger. So my head of my fish is down over here, and I'm gonna do the same algorithm again. So I'm gonna move right, up, right invert, up, right, two up moves, and then right invert. All right. Once again, we have to reevaluate. Do I have one, none, or two yellow corners? I have one, so I'm gonna do the same thing again and move it back down, put it in the bottom left so it matches this picture and looks like a fish with its head down this way. And I'm just gonna do this again. I'm gonna keep doing it until all of my corners are yellow. Right, up, right invert, up, right, up, and right invert. And that's it. I'm not solved yet, but I'm getting much closer, and I have my whole yellow layer. I have oriented the corners so that they are all yellow.